it's just off the charts. When you grow up in a toxic, dysfunctional home, you're conditioned to tolerate that mistreatment. You're conditioned to put yourself last because your toxic parent, the narcissist, is always first. And you're forced into codependency, essentially. This parent is, and typically, by the way, BT dub, a lot of narcissistic parents, they have a comorbidity, which means that they have more than one disorder going on. In my example, my mother, the narcissistic mother, I don't like to use these terms of endearment, but my narcissistic mother, she was definitely histrionic as well, which is similar to borderline, but histrionic is someone with excessive responses to like super traumatic, essentially, in a nutshell. It's just someone that's constantly, she's always fighting for attention or doing whatever it takes to elicit attention from everyone.
Thank you for watching and subscribing to NATV Network, New Attitude TV.